When nuclear facilities choose a valve supplier, they often look for technical expertise or fast response. But the IMI Valve Doctor program is built on something deeper: long-term commitment. One major US nuclear energy facility turned to an IMI Valve Doctor, Christian Klee, when persistent boric acid leakage from aging, competitor-designed valves was driving safety concerns and nearly $400,000 a year in maintenance costs. After a detailed assessment, the IMI Valve Doctor identified worn packing and fundamental design limitations as the root causes. The recommended solution was a modern, back-seated valve design with robust graphite packing and stainless steel bellows, engineered for leak-tight, long-cycle performance. With IMI's extensive nuclear track record and thousands of installed bellows-sealed globe valves worldwide, the team met stringent qualification requirements and collaborated with the site to create a new valve specification. Within 3 years, the upgraded valves were installed. The outcome: zero environmental leakage, reduced maintenance, and an engineering team free to focus on higher value work. This is the essence of the Valve Doctor approach: working side by side with customers, taking the time to get it right and delivering solutions built to perform for the long term.